Hi, I'm Tim and I'm a chippy by trade. But today, I'm going to be working with my Sparky to talk about a product that helps with bathroom ventilation, heating and condensation. Let's get into it. This is the IXL Tastic 3-in-1 bathroom heater, light and fan. The great thing is it's quick and easy and it's an efficient setup for the bathroom we're updating. The one we've used here is perfect for medium-sized bathrooms. The 800-watt heat lamp with halo heat technology really heats it up easily. In terms of lighting, it has a 400K cool white LED, which works really well with the white fascia to create a modern look. It also has a wide grille for easy cleaning, as these can get quite grotty over time. So now that we've covered the hot, what about the steamy? It's got a powerful centrifugal fan for airflow extraction, which will get rid of that steam in no time. At 110 litres per second, it's quite fast in comparison to other products on the market, which is going to save damage to your plaster and other parts of the bathroom over time. The Tastic Ovation has a side ducted fan and inclined outlet. This makes it super easy to install. Another great thing about it is the self-sealing back draft stopper. This prevents cold air and worse from creeping through when it's switched off, which is another tick for sustainability. Getting this product is super simple. Just head into a Bunnings store or have a chat to a team member. So there you have it. I hope I've cleared up some things about condensation. Thanks for watching and make sure you jump on and check out some of our other video reviews.